Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact on the device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's go to your contacts. Now let's choose the contact you want to personalize, so for example this one, and let's tap on this edit icon. Now let's tap on the camera icon, and now you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply select a photo from your gallery. So let me do this. Let's pick the photo you want to use. Let's choose how to crop the picture. And as you can see, from this level you can adjust the size of the square, and thanks to this you're able to decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. So let's choose something like this maybe. If you are ready, click on OK. And remember to click on Save. As you can see here, we've got our photo added. Let's get back to the contact list, and as you can see, it will also appear here. And what's more, you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.